Now, I know some of you watching this may not have Microsoft Word software, and you might be concerned that you're not able to actually use Microsoft Word to create your CV, but you don't need to worry, okay? Because Google Documents has it all available for free, okay? You can set up a Google account. I strongly recommend you set up a Gmail account, you log into Google Documents, and you'll be presented with a free range of software, which is pretty much the same as Microsoft Office, where you can get documents, spreadsheets, forms, diagrams, all things like that. Okay, so when you log into your Google Documents drive, okay, you'll see a button on the left hand side that says create, and you can create a document, the blue one there. Click on that, and very simply a new page or a new document will appear, and as long as you can point and click, you'll very quickly pick this up. So you're going to give the document a name. You're going to click it in the top left hand corner. Just wait for that load and say my new document. You click OK, and that's what the name of the document is. And to all intents and purposes, you've got a taskbar along the top which has got all the same formatting things that you would recognize with Microsoft Word, except it's completely free. Now, what's really interesting with this is hosted online, so as long as you've got access to the internet, you can get access to this document. But if you're on somebody else's computer, then you don't have to worry about it too much, because you can download your CV, download your document in either a Word or a PDF document. So wherever you are, you can always download a copy of it that will be relevant in the relevant format to forward on. So let's just put in some phrasing there, my new CV, and that will be, this page will be full of information. Now what you can do is go over to File here, click File, and then go down the menu options where it says Download As. Now you can download it as Microsoft Word, okay, or the other one that I would recommend is in a PDF document. Okay, so let's just say you're going to download that as a PDF document. Once that's downloaded to the computer, you just click it open, and hey presto, you've got yourself a PDF document straight away. Okay, so you don't need to worry if you haven't got Microsoft Word, because you can use Google Documents. It's just as effective, and it's free, which I'm sure you will love.